All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to English to class. Let's get right into the recording. This session will be recorded for learning purposes. Learning purposes include a lesson review for students that are absent or for students that are reviewing a test or a quiz, etc. All right, so I am the new English teacher for you guys. So you guys have a new English teacher. My name is Mrs. Taylor. This is basically what I like to do, what I wanted to do growing up, and all that good stuff. So I forgot to mention I am 29 years old. It's almost 30. All right, so class plans for today. Sorry, my cat is doing weird stuff because she wants to talk to you guys. Okay, anyway, we're going to be talking about the CR, which means constructive response again. When I saw all the grades, guys, probably about 50% of you guys didn't really do as well, and 25% of you guys did really well. But we'll talk about that in a minute. And then what we are going to learn in Unit 2, getting ready for the test tomorrow, and if we have time to play Kahoot, we will play Kahoot. CR, constructive response. Remember, guys, claim, true evidence, reasoning. That comes a total of 4 sentences. What happened on the CR test, guys? Yeah, Michael, that's what I was wondering, too. What's going on? That's what I'm kind of confused on, or it's a misunderstanding or wrong class. But I checked you guys. But we'll work on that. Don't be concerned at all. It's okay, guys. No one's perfect. We'll work on that. But basically, we'll do a new story. Tomorrow, you guys have a quiz on it, which your teacher told you about 3 weeks ahead, and we finally got the test back, and they weren't good. If you guys look back on your grade book, if you are one of those people that did really well, then thank you. And if you are one of the people that unfortunately didn't get a good grade, we'll work on it, okay? We'll put you in a breakout room and work on that. All right, we are going to be learning, what are we going to be learning about in Unit 2? So we are going to be learning about what a paragraph needs to make it high quality, really good, not high quality, that's actually a really strong word, but a really, really good paragraph that will put your grade over the top, don't make your grade amazing, all that good stuff. You're going to make a story that is going to be a paragraph, obviously. So first of all, what we're going to do is do a 1 paragraph and then 2 paragraphs. So that's what we're going to do. And later in the unit, when we're getting close to exiting that unit and entering in Unit 3, we are going to be having a test on the paragraphs, and it's going to be like, what does a paragraph need? And then very end of the quiz or test, it's going to say, please write a story. We can't get to that now because that's like in December or January. But we're not going to talk about that, but we're definitely, after these quizzes, we are definitely going to get into Unit 2. All right, so tests for tomorrow. You guys have 2 tests. You don't have to do them on the same day. You can schedule days that you want to do your test. So tomorrow is going to be a CR test on a story. I'm going to give you guys a story, but if you want it, instead of doing the CR test, you can do what did you learn in Unit 1, which is pretty easy, guys. I actually saw the test like this morning, and it was pretty simple. So I highly recommend doing that first and or doing harder. And I usually start with the harder one, which is CR, and then doing the easier one Tuesday. After coming back from the weekend, the really long weekend. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, guys, again, remember, claim, to evidence, and reasoning comes down to 4 sentences. All right, so we have enough time to play Kahoot. You can go log into your Kahoot, or you can log in with the code, which is 2395782. Your name, first name, and last name, or first name and last name. But because you guys were paying attention today, I didn't have to close the chat box. You guys can do whatever name you want. Just tell me in the chat box, or actually private message me and tell me what your name is, your random name that you're gonna do on Kahoot, so I know who you are. Or not, that's okay. All right. Yeah, McKenna, yeah. I love Kahoot. It's really fun. All right, so we are going to be closing the recording. For students that are reviewing this test, remember, CR, claim, evident, to evident, and a reasoning comes out of 4 sentences. And then what did you learn in Unit 1 for the test? But yeah. Thank you, students, for watching the recording.